Hi everyone, welcome to Simply Grace Lifestyle. Oh my goodness, guys, are you looking at what I'm looking at? So I am in the Dollar Plus section and look at this cheese board. It says Blast shaped like a pumpkin with a little knife on the side. This is a great buy. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. So we are at Dollar Tree, as I said before, in their plus section. I'm so excited. Now remember that I just posted in my main channel, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, in the community tab, the calendar of open collaborations for the month of October. I think I'm going to go ahead and put it here in this channel's community tab also so that everyone can enjoy. So I have to say that I love the Dollar Tree Plus section. So I hope you enjoyed the shopping trip as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.